Man, didn't we have the OSHA violation talk when sticking your finger in a working plasma cutter? I know we did. We did. So what you getting ready to do?
Cut a sign out.
This is our first custom plasma table job.
First for a customer.
Yep.
That means if something's gonna go wrong, it's gonna go wrong. And then save that and then run a dry cut, and we'll see as it follows if it's doing them.
That's the V it's cutting out.
Let the fun begin.
Ah, shit.
See this thing getting messed up or not?
Sand it.
You didn't turn the air off today, have you?
Now that I know, I'm gonna double check.
About to find out.
Back.
Hey, it's gonna work right because you know the little boxes that we made yesterday. You know they turned out pretty good.
And that's the whole thing.
The old machine of bread.
And that is a metal sign.
Yep. There it is.
Pretty cool, man. Not
There
bad.
it is. There it is.
What do you want to do with it? Bring the drift and put it on the ground.
Because fabrication doesn't have to always mean vehicles.
No. Whoever's paying the bills, we don't work with them. That did come out pretty cool.
And cut once. I'm gonna repeat that. You measure 5 times and cut once.
How much you say one of these, one sheet of this is?
It was about 120 bucks.
So what else we got going on?
Well.
Well.
Well. Jig, jig.
Got some
We got a little jungle gym here.
jigging going on.
Or some little hamsters or something. Yep, we got some little boxes, control arm boxes here, you know, cut out on a plasma table. Bend them up. So we got a couple lower control arm mounts on the bottom. Rear section. Front section. Different size in the rear. We got front, upper, subframe mounts, frame side. The rear section, subframe mounts, frame side. Then you got these 3 points are going to be the steering rack. From there, engine mounts. So what we're going to do, we got the rear control arm boxes made, and need to make 2 more boxes for up here. Join them together with a piece of tube. Make whatever kind of box we want to for the frame mounts. Join that in somehow. And yep, pretty much box everything in. Yep.
This is going to be a tubular CTS-V cross member.
Tubular CTS-V cross member.
Available soon at your Pure Fab near you.
So we got this fancy old table over yonder, so we're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah. Well, since Joey likes to stay up all night and do projects, we got a new wing from scratch. Is that just like residue from the cutter?
Yeah, so this is the first time we've cut aluminum with that fine tip. And it wasn't that far off, honestly. So
yeah, it was pretty good.
Just gonna do these edges right here, so when we bend it, it's okay. Do all the final cleanup later. So you're gonna hold it in the back.
Oh, is it hitting the railing?
Where you gonna go?
So rather than having like a piece of angle riveted to this to mount the side panels to, we went ahead and cut it out all in one piece, so that way we could break it with this. It's sturdy, it makes this more rigid, and then you can rivet the side piece directly to it with plenty of surface area, so it's not all flimsy and floppy like our old wing used to be, which we didn't design originally.
Oh, if it isn't Darren.
What's going on, dog?
Just barely?
It ain't gonna make it, Chief.
Get a Batmobile, dude.
So glossy, man.
That is insane.
Look, get a little peek from under to see exactly how much bigger it is.
Yup.
Just a little bit.
Once you put the supports on there, it'll be nice and rigid.
It's gonna be gray from being chalky, but
Yeah.
inside the door.
That's no, they don't do it inside the door. I don't believe. Is it? Yeah,
see,
it is.
see the sun don't get in here, so
But
let
it's
me put my other glasses on.
kind of like an overspray almost in there.
Yeah. Yeah, there was no variances on it. That's really good. And
When I
it's-
first got this car, you pulled in the sun and it would literally be gray because there's so much.
yeah, they may not have put a lot in here, but see, it's darker in there because it's not gray hazed up from
Yeah.
the sun.
But like I said, this thing does need a good bit of love as far as paint correction and stuff, so it's gonna be hard.
If y'all don't know, Darren probably is one of the best painters, I would say, in the Southeast in general.
He's a pretty cool dude, man. He's been doing it for a long time. He's damn near perfected it. It's hard not to work with him.
Oh yeah, but his people, he's painted Ferraris, he's painted Lamborghinis,
Yeah.
like showroom quality.
Yeah,
You're
he
gonna go
does.
see the car for a year, but when you get it,
It's good work, man, for sure. What's up, dude?
what's the good word today?
Today's good word. Check our website out. Buy our GPS kits.
Whatever comes to mind, dude.
Shout out Vibrant. Shout out Garrett. Shout out Thompson.
We're just gonna start renting parts of Chris out. So if any of these companies care, you know, like an arm would be $40. Right
Pure
arms,
Fabrication at yahoo.com.
right arms $40. You get the chest is the $250
Yeah,
spot.
that's a big piece right there.
That's the good real estate right there.